Hello, I'm Dr. Maths. I'm a primary maths consultant. This is the Fun with Numbers pack, and we have a range of different things to do with numbers and fractions. I'm going to just take you through a few of those one at a time. The pizza fraction set has a fun play with pizza, so you can actually play role play games, and you can take pizzas out of the box, and you can play a game where you're going to buy your pizza and deciding how many people come to the party. Because what you can then do with it as fractions is on the back of the different pizzas there are different fractional amounts. So here we've got half the pizza and it's got a half on the back. We have quarters, eighths on the back. And so you can play a game where you decide how many people are going to be there, how much of the pizza should each person get, how can we divide it up if grandma doesn't want as much as dad. So you can play various role play games and get children to have an understanding of fractions. Going on from this, you can then reinforce that with the fraction action snap cards. So these cards, not only do they show fractions and fractions of shapes that you can get, but they also have things like a half is 50% and a 1/2 written as words and 1/2 written as 0.5 as a decimal. So this will just reinforce the knowledge that the children have learned from playing the role play game. We've also got counting in tens. So these are friendly, easy to use beanbags. And the idea is that you can learn your 10 times table. You can then go on and look at, see what happens if you double each time. So you could go 10, 20, 40 and go through the 10 times table. And you could look for other patterns that you can find in and amongst the 10 times table all the way to 200. Notice these are color-coded in groups of 50. Again, to reinforce that, we have the place value flip it cards. These then take that idea of, instead of just counting in tens, you can look at units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now, on the flip it card there is a question on the front. Here it says 91, the red 1. You ask your child, what place value does the 1 have? And when you flip it over, it tells you that the 1 is 1 unit. And again, there's lots of different ones of those, such as this one, you've got 32, there's a red 3, so when you flip it over, the 3 is 3 tens. This range of items here supports children in their learning of number and fractions through a variety of different methods. So what you have is you have role play through the pizza, you also have beanbags and different games that you could play through that. Then you have the card games as well. So children from aged about 6 upwards can experience number and fractions in a variety of forms.